Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you watch our previous video, I showed you how you could make your hair, how you could look elegant without gele or ashoke. You can still rock that your native, you can still look elegant. Okay, so that video was part 1. So here I'm going to show you the part 2. Remember what we used last time. If you have not watched that video, kindly go and watch it, because that is the beginning, so that you can understand what we're doing here. Okay, and we're going to start again. Remember, this was what I used last time, my trouser, my stretchy trouser. So as usual, I'm going to use the back side to face my forehead, like the way we did it last time. Before doing this, ensure that you pack your hair up, okay? Because it looks like turban, okay? So ensure that the label part is at the center front of your forehead, like so. And ensure that all your hair, everything is inside. Then try to flap it, as in crisscross it at the back, like so. Okay, crisscross. Then bring this to the front. Hold it right there. And bring this to the front as well. And tie. When you tie, just shock in the excess so that it will not come out. Okay. So now we are going to make this to stand just like gele or like turban. So ensure that you raise it up like so. Then get a little piece of fabric, maybe like hair tie or something. This is my own hair tie, chiffon. This is chiffon hair tie. It's just fold it into 3, like so, into 3. So depends on how big you want it to be. Don't put it in the first one, the one that is close to your forehead. You know there are 2 flaps or 2 lines, so place it on the one close to your forehead. Okay, not the inner one. So once you are done, you try to cover it so that it's not visible. Then you just roll it and arrange it. You can see that it looks exactly like a turban, like twisted turban. That's the essence. That's the essence. So I'm just trying to arrange it so that everything lays flat. Can you see that? How does it look? Who would know that this is my trouser? Who will know? Who would believe that this is actually a trouser? Try this out and let me know how yours came out, if it's as wonderful as mine. Okay, so with this you can rock it and go to church. No one knows, no one cares, no one bothers you. What are you putting on? Is this a trouser or not? Nobody will know that this is a trouser. That's the funniest part of it. So you can still rock your head tie as well. Let's go to church. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, and follow us too on our page. God bless you as you watch. Bye.